morning, guys. This feels so weird. I haven't like vlogged outside in I think like 2 or 3 months. I'm so shy right now. I feel like everyone is staring, but everyone's probably not. So let's get through this. I'm on my way to uni right now. My lesson starts in like 5 minutes. I'm literally around the corner from uni. This is my outfit. I'll show you again properly later. But we have a 3-hour lecture today. I think there's a break at some point in between where I can talk to you guys. And then I'll be in uni for like a couple hours because there's an event in the evening with Kenya Hunt, the editor-in-chief of Elle magazine. So that's really cool. I'm actually listening to her audiobook right now. I'm like over halfway through. It's a really good book. And I have like the actual book too. So I'm really excited about that. And yeah, see you in uni. I should also, oh, you can't see me. You see me here? I should also probably add that I'm wearing these heels today and I'm already in so much pain, and the event starts at 5:30 and finishes at 7:30. It's 9 o'clock. I don't know what I'm going to do because I'm in so much pain right now. I'm really debating like buying a pair of flats. Like as soon as I left the house, I knew the shoes were going to be an issue. But the outfit, it's for the outfit. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, might just take off my shoes and like sit in the canteen for a bit. We made it to uni. I'm just going to deliver my sister's lunch and then walk into uni. Okay, the lunch has been delivered. I'm now back on my way to class. My teacher wasn't there yet, so hopefully he's there now. And then we're going to start today. I think it's like print production and like editing software stuff. So that would be nice. Oh, my skin is glowing. I did like eye patches, but it was fine.
I find them really hard to work. They're actually turned into 2-day jobs. The beginnings of how to timeline, I would start actually getting these, personally I find that very useful. Sit through them, come back, don't be way too long please.
When do we finish the break?
Oh, how long do we have?
Yeah.
I mean, I'd like it if it was literally just put them to the loo and back rather than go and have a cigarette. I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, we're on a break. So we got this like the briefing was yesterday. I didn't vlog that, but I did put it on my Instagram, so go check that out, and TikTok. So today we are looking at like planning and stuff.
Yeah.
So how are we feeling?
The nitty-gritty of it.
Yeah, we're very excited. We're very excited about our project. I'll do like a sit down with you guys later. I have a couple hours in between before the event. We're just gonna talk about what the like project idea is. We have our like ideas already kind of sorted. I've been waiting to do mine for so long. I'm so excited for it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so it's February. So you have February, March, and then this assignment is due. And then we have April, May. The next one is due, and then we're done.
And with like a month off for Easter as well.
A month off?
Like 3 weeks off.
Seriously? Oh yes, we are. Oh yeah. Oh, I forgot about that.
So we don't even have that much time left on campus.
I mean, we can always swap in.
You can.
I'm like always here, even if I don't have lessons sometime. I just like prefer to work here, especially because we only have like February, March, April, May, 4 months left. So I might as well make the most of said facilities. But yeah, it's a good day so far. I have my tripod, but I don't feel like taking it out of my bag right now, so we're just gonna be low there. Snack time. Would you like one? Would you like one? Yeah, so little snack, having donut, and I have my smoothie, but it's being used with my tripod. I think I'm gonna spend the bigger in between time. I think finish at 12:30, and then the event starts at 5:30. So I have about 4-ish hours to get started on the work. So far, everything we've been doing this morning was about like planning, getting organized. I already did my plan yesterday, but this was still good to see like alternate ways to plan. So he was saying that there's like a Gantt chart that we could do. This book called Getting Things Done, The Art of Stress-Free Productivity, which I definitely am going to get, which sounds really interesting. I was looking on Amazon while he was talking. There's also like a workbook, so that's interesting.
Anyway, okay.
Lessons are finished. I'm now on my way to the canteen. I'm gonna get a little hot chocolate. I actually got lunch for myself this morning in M&S, so I'll be having that. I'm just gonna sit on the steps outside the uni for a bit. It's a nice little view there. They have like some nice steps, so So let's see. Hopefully the line's not long. Oh yeah, the line's not long. Okay, good. Hot chocolate secured, and I'm on my way outside to meet my sister. I'm just gonna chill for a bit and yeah. The editor of okay guys, it is now 2:02. I don't know what it is today, but I'm feeling so shy to vlog, but we're doing it anyways. So yeah, I'm just sitting on the 6th floor right now. The event is going to be here in a couple hours, so I'm just going to get some of my work done. Our assignment is split into 2 different assignments. So the first part, which we're doing right now, is the research for our final project, and then once that's done, signing in on March the 10th, then we'll be doing the actual project, which will be due May 15th, I think it was. So right now, this is like a 4-week assignment. So yesterday I made a full plan, so now I'm just going to start going through all the research I have to do, doing the research, making notes. Every week I have something planned out that I have to do. I'll show you guys actually. So you can see here my assignment plan. When I put pink, it's because I have an event that day, so I know I don't have the whole day to do it. But at the end of each week, I have like something written in red that I should have done. So end of week 3, I would have finished writing. End of week 1, I would have finished the pictures, like all these small different things. So just getting them all done today. Oh, this keeps falling. Let me just hold it. So the lecture that we had today was really good about like planning and being organized, and the biggest takeaway obviously is always discipline. You don't wait till motivated, do it because you know you have to do it. It's something I enjoy, so I'd rather do it now rather than stress and do it later. So yeah, trying to put some systems in place to get that done. Today I need to research my topic, competition, audience and platform, and do the content strategy. So they gave us like some prompt questions for each of those topics. That's basically the 4 areas that our 3,000 word essay has to cover. So I'm just going to answer all of those questions, like just initially from what's from my mind, and I can put all of that in my research folder, and then I'll be doing some secondary and primary research to back those up on the following days. My phone is also only 38% right now, so I need to go and put charge, so I can't like video a lot more right now because I want a video for the event later. Keep talking about this event, I hope it's good. I keep like building up to it, but yeah, I'm excited for it, so bye for now. Guys, I did not forget about you. I just forgot to vlog, and it's now 5 something. We're walking in for the event, which is really exciting. Bessie's here. So this is the room. She's going to be sitting here. There's some Elle magazines, very on brand. Okay, right, I have to do the register. Bye. While no one's here to do outfit opening, so I'm wearing white top, these earrings, hair, just oversized blazer, shorts, and these boots that are really hurting, but look good.
College of Fashion and the Advocacy Academy, Arts Against Knives and Rise 365.
And British Elle magazine as fashion features director in London.
And so I was a real, you know, my mother was my gateway into this industry actually, because amazing. She loved fashion.
I have many, but I'll start with one. Okay, so what work did you do mentally and practically to transition from your role as a journalist to a leadership role, and is there anything that you miss?
She specializes in coaching women of color who have leadership, role.
For the magazine, so good luck with all of that. Very best wishes, and thank you again.
Thank you for having me, and thank you Gucci for having me as well. So it's a real pleasure to meet all of you. Thanks. Thank you.
Okay guys, so the talk is finished. I asked a couple of questions. I actually voice recorded the whole thing because I'm thinking of writing like a blog post about it. But I managed to ask 2 questions I'm really happy about. I had my questions prepared before I even started the talk, and then during the talk I had more questions, which was really fun. And because you asked questions, I got a free Elle magazine, a Cynthia Erivo. That's really nice. So I'm going to add this to my collection, and I think we'll wrap up the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I had a great day, and subscribe for more. Bye.